Akwaba Emfa Embra Attention TV. So subscribe to YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow on Facebook, like, comment, and also share. And some of Tvgh NSCID Pinia. Say what call retirement can Yeboah. I nanam sini abesi so. Eno ananam so A+ and then send back me be to social media so. And then Amagana for Binumo Ekasa. Yebeko me akojin chilimu ediaba. Asa na naminka Second University Foundation. Anasamasna. Medijmedi esomo. Yenko tiemu chilimu ye efabra.
For CID boss Ken Yeboah, he has resigned. Ebusia na nipa yedeni si na nemu no ono nidi ede Madam Faustina Ejewa Kodria Ando Kofi. Ebusia ye new CID boss. Omo enfoni ena twegu ewe screen so. Please in pain for years so must start retire resign bimo ye sake omo ayembia no azani siketwetwea na abusia enam so ema police fo binom entimi nye omo adwuma no ayembia say obobre na odibre no ebegina hefa na abusia for we ene ensema abeto na wonim bibi abrati ayefa na A+ nyumtuni ayefa na A+ edensem afua bi ababeto ne ochre mu nyinara ne say papai ayefa na Ken Yeboah obi a ye kase obi emu a nitimu orden a sebe oye entrofo a oye azan onene sa papai na odensemfua bi ababeto no ma ensem no mu odu ankasa ye ebusia moma menfa ba kumienu bi enfa ento anom na menu mienu enye de entie A+ Eshasesen also we thank God that the CID director Ken Yeboah is leaving the police service today. Crime will surely reduce in Ghana. Meaning say, papa crime the air kosunyara CID penny anka wasanko obo timemu tememu for ye ho ban no ono momo na edi mu akotene ankasa yen. Now that you are a civilian like us, we shall meet on the flip side very often. Nti no say die e de yakwa akono mansa thought apio no ne na nyina ye behia e wo bia ba no ayeden abom ene public toilet kura na ye behia e wo ho no mo eti o say de wakwa say onye obi a usa like yanko yadim. Also when 5 innocent men were murdered in Yeboah 13, you took me to the police truck at CID headquarters to show me bullet holes from an alleged exchange of fire the disease had with the police, which resulted him in their death. You knew it was not true. I said, and you know, CID boss moi. You knew that the police were misled. You knew innocent souls had been taken, but you covered up. Even when you knew that the police themselves shot into their truck to fake an exchange of fire. I want to put this on record. This is from A+. Or say, there are too many good police officers in the system. Abusia for na ye so A+ and sama auditor woma CID boss Ken Yeboah. Abusia ne opese ochire mu nyinara ne se papa no krepa de eni nanum. Che se bone a ekọ so media no so na again to Ghana krodue no mu no. Papa aye no ho se obi a ofoa bone so. Na ye wo Ghana police officers a omoka no kre ankase ye na God bless Ghana police officers. Abusia o making some statements I find it very, very interesting. No achemu nyina say emre bi a etwemo Ken Yeboah akroye bedi abranti aye friend no A+ bone no no de no kremu no o de beche no nanso so no obesere ne se onye de omo empire ensre bone fache emfi obo ade no ho se Mr. Ken Yeboah, this life is short, the power is transit. You see that all too soon, you are no more a CID director. You not even a constable. This is the reality of life. It's time to count for everything you did. Everyone you take a life directly or indirectly a year from, or support the taking of an innocent life will suffer and die in mysterious deaths. Eventually, if you don't confess and pray for forgiveness, there is God, there is God, there is an almighty God. Seek him and pray for forgiveness. Innocent people were killed, but you covered up. Ebusia, and semino, emodu pam.
Subscribe to Ghana Update for latest
so many
news.
Years, many innocent young people have died at the hands of the police, who, as police officers, starve people cars with illegal drugs and then turn around to arrest them. Those who can pay are released. Those who can't suffer. Amofa was shot and killed at Kwabenya whilst drinking beer with friends. Later, police like you told us that he was an armed robber. So, some police officers in Ghana have engaged in serious armed robbery. Not long ago, police officer was attacked and killed a colleague officer who was only doing his job to take care of himself and his young family. Sadly, those evil police officers were murdered to cover up. Even good police officers are not suffer from the evils in the police services because of men like you. You put me in harm's way, but I've forgiven you. Pray for forgiveness. I won't miss you. You are a bad cop. And oh, before you leave the service, tell that woman at arms, oh my God, which woman is she talking about? Whatever you call it, the A+, Kwame A+, I said I have put her on my list. She should be very careful. Bright Odro didn't survive it. Tiwa didn't survive it. She won't survive it. Tell her to be extra vigilant. I have an eye in her office. I'm not fearless, but fear will not stop me from the evil, from being the man I am supposed to be. Cheers. Nature Sabusian, nature Ghana Police Service and the Omo boy Juma ye, while Mutie and Summer A+ their baby go dear na ano adding. Kasa Abusian no be bisasa yembia agrasco say dear. Please in paying 4 years so must start retire, resign, bimo ye sake omu ayembia no. Azani siketchia na Abusian nam was so Emma police for binum entimi nyo omo adwuma ayembia say obobre no di bre no ebegina hefa Abusian we eyenkai ba aba beto honomo na Ghana police CID boss ye friend Ken Yeboah Warrior wa resign ana retire. Okay, yemfanasa meda obi biara senyame ensure obi biara omose oye
CID penny Ken Yeboah ne retirement won't and sema enam sema A+ ekotro nyoma editor social media store and any other some more attention TV. So keep subscribing, keep liking, follow and share.